Simon from Simple Life here. This is amazing. There's thunder and there's lightning and it's raining and it's hailing and I love it. The atmosphere is electric. The whole world is alive. And it's amazing because I'm in my garden and I'm not getting wet. I love this. This is one of those things where you just have to go, I'm alive, and celebrate it. There is nothing like being outside in the rain and not getting wet. And do you know why I'm able to be outside when it's tipping down and it's thundering and it's lightning out here? It's because I have designed my garden to allow me to make the most of this amazing weather. This is just awesome. Fantastic gardens by design. What more could you ever possibly want? Amazing. Simon Pollard, call me.